Hi everyone, in today's video, we're going to show you how to create a simple QR code to track the members sign up. So over here, I have my web app URL. So I can decide if I would like to drive members when they click on that link to view the homepage or directly to the sign up page. So let's say I would like to use this link. We'll just copy this link. We'll go to this campaign builder. I'll put in the link here. So now because I'm going to run a specific campaign, and let's say I would like to share this link on my Facebook. So then I'll put in the Facebook. As you can see, the link has been generated here. So when you click on the copy, I will go on to a QR converter. You want to make sure that you're using a free QR converter. We'll paste this in here. All right, so this QR, when a member scans this particular QR, we're going to be able to determine that they are signing up directly from the Facebook source. So now we're done. We'll just click on downloading it. And I'll just call this the Facebook campaign of Facebook sign up campaign. All right, I'll save this. And there you go. You can then just print out the QR code and share it on your Facebook page or in any of your news letters. Let me know if you have any other questions at help@eber.co. Thanks and bye for now.